people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chimmy, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys the different ways in which I style my head wraps. So I get a lot of people asking me in real life, yeah, asking me how I do my head wrap styles. So I just thought I'd come on here and show you guys a few of my favorites. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And before we go anywhere, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, please comment, and all that good stuff. Okay, let's get into it.
Okay, so for the first head wrap style, I used two scarves. A bigger one, the black one is the big one, and then another one that's a bit smaller in a different color. I used a pink one. You'll see it in a bit. So basically, you're just gonna tie on the side, and then after that, you're gonna take the other scarf and do a braid. Yeah. Okay, just keep watching. Okay, so for the next look, I'm going to be using this pink and white scarf. I think it's so pretty, guys. Anywho, moving on. For the next look, I'm going to be doing a bow. So I decided to make mine very dramatic, just for the purposes of the video. And yeah, anyway, I think it looks cute. But it's up to you to make it big or small, really. It's up to you how much drama you like. So yeah, basically you're just gonna tie the bow. Then from there, you just fluff it out and position it the way you want it to be positioned. Then you're gonna twist the excess pieces of the cloth and just tuck them in. Again, make sure you tuck in the ends as neatly as possible, guys, just so it looks nice and pretty. Yeah. Okay, so head wrap style number 2. Actually, number 3, but with the scarf number 2. Okay, you get it. So anyway, for this style, you're just going to tie again at the top, but on the side. It's up to you. You can do it at the very top as well. That works. Then you're just going to twist the 2 pieces. And then once that is done, you're just going to wrap it right round. Nice and simple. There we go. Yeah. So guys, one of the things I really love about head wraps is that you can just put them on like any day. When you have a bad hair day, when your braids are old, like mine, or when you just feel like putting on a head wrap, you can even put them on just your hair as well. And they still look cute and nice. And yeah, it's a look, guys. Okay, so for the next look, I'm going to be using this red scarf. So I'm just going to fold it in half, tie my braids up, and then I tied it from the back coming to the front. Hope that makes sense. Or you can see it, right? So yeah. So basically I just tied the 2 pieces going to the back and then back to the front again. And then I tucked in the excess pieces, and that's it. So this look is giving me some Dudu Maninga vibes. Yeah. If you're Zimbabwean, you should know who that is. Yeah, I think it's pretty cute.
That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. Yeah, let me know what your favorite headband style is in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, stay amazing. I love you. Bye.